video, we are going to show you how to jump and land and what to look out for and how to make it easier or harder. To jump and land, stand with your feet apart, bend your knees, swing your arms back, then forward when you jump. Bend your knees to land with feet slightly apart. You might see a child jumping without using their arms, or arms out to the side and landing on one foot after the other, instead of the feet landing together. Encourage them to use their arms and land with their feet slightly apart. To make it easier, try and jump and land on the spot without travelling. Or, to make it harder, try and jump and land side to side. Can you think of other ways to make it easier or harder? Why not visit our Facebook, Twitter, and website for more ideas?